actor, we'll speak
For-
in full butler English today.
No crimer, no timer, whatever.
No crimer, no timer, no waste timer.
Ayo!
You'll only have to complete it, ma'am.
Rashmika, I have no words for the exuberance that you bring on screen, despite being as simple as you are. एक इंसान मुझे बताओ जो आपके प्यार में नहीं है. Does everyone love Rashmika? So here's the question.
जी बोलिए.
आपने सब सुपरस्टार्स और वहाँ तो सुपर डुपर स्टार्स के साथ काम किया है, लेकिन इससे पहले कि हम इन पे आए,
जी.
एक कैरेक्टर आपके जैसे इतनी वैरायटी करने वाले को कॉल आउट करता है, एंड दिस सीम्स वेरी डिफरेंट, एंड दिस सीम्स अ वेरी डिफरेंट साइड ऑफ शेखर एज वेल.
जी.
तो क्या था वो जिसकी वजह से आपने हाँ कहा?
पहले तो हाय एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप? सब ठीक ठाक? ऑल गुड? चलो ठीक है. हाँ, தமிழ் பேசணுமா? இங்க வந்து தமிழ்ல பேசுனேன்னா the Hindi media will be like, what, we don't understand anything. So okay வா உங்களுக்கு? Looks like there's a lot of Tamil crowd we have
You
among
can
here.
go part, it's all good.
Okay,
है ना?
why don't we just speak in English so that it's easier for me?
जी.
Okay, wow. So, what was your question again?
What
ma'am?
was the
Sorry.
character in this movie that attracted you कि मैं इसको करना चाहती हूँ?
I think basically I wanted to work with Shekhar sir, and I wanted to work with Dhanush sir and Nag sir. Like we have this entire, like we've baked this cake and we have put a icing on the cake and now we have a cherry on the cake. So it's going to be a full-on delicacy by the time the film releases. So
But there's something very different about your character. Let's be honest.
see, some days you will have to be Geetanjali, some days you have to be Srivalli, some days you have to be Maharani Yesubai, and some days you have to be her. So,
Without giving away too much,
जी,
क्या हमने आपको पहले इस अवतार में देखा है जो आप दिखाने वाली है कैरेक्टर वाइज?
nahi. I think, you know, I'm someone who like fully surrenders to my directors, and that is the beauty of it. Kyunki like directors, each directors have their own flavor. So इसीलिए I'll, you know, somehow sort of get to play such variety of characters. And she is extremely different. She is, as in I can't reveal too much, but it's going to be a very, very exciting and a different character.
But there is one thing that is not different,
जी.
is your streak to work with the best of best. We have two heavyweights here we love, and the kind of body of work that they've brought in. What is this special connect? Let's start with Nagarjun sir. For you, you know, maybe a memory, a core memory, and now being his co-star.
I love Nag sir. Gotten this opportunity to work